Hey everyone, today we're going to unbox Insta360 One X Pocket 360 Steadicam. So I ordered this in Apple Store and it just arrived today, so it just took 2 days to ship. So yeah, I already removed the plastic cover, so now we're ready to just unbox it. So let's do it. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Alright, wow, it's a nice pouch. And let's open this. Okay, so we have the camera itself. Okay, and I believe this one is the extra battery. Okay, so the extra battery. What else is in here? Oh, okay, so this one this one is the pouch. The pouch for the camera. Okay. Cool. It fits nicely. But if you have the protective lens, if you install the protective lens, there might be an issue to get it to fit into this pouch. But we'll see once I get my protective lens. I ordered that separately. Okay, so we got that out of the box. And then here are the documents. Sticker. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna mess with that later. And on this box, it says accessories box. So let's see what's inside. So we have, what's this? So the USB-C charger. USB-C charger with the USB port. And then the other one, the USB-C charger with a lightning port at the end. And this one is the selfie stick. Okay. Alright, so this one is the selfie stick. Cool. What else? That's it. Yeah. Alright, that's it. So we have the selfie stick, the camera with the pouch, the extra battery, and the charging cables. The USB-C charging cable with the lightning port, and the USB-C with the regular USB port. Okay, that's it. Thank you.